all mineral acids as we know them to be are hazardous, they are toxic, they fume, they are illegal. Now that makes it very difficult to procure and use them consistently. The EHS is not an easy option with these products. Though they are excellent cleaners, there is one major drawback that these acids have. You cannot automate a process using an acid because acids corrode the very metals in which they are contained to work. Now that prevents an organization from automating and thereby exposing the organization to various legal and other formalities that unions do to make sure that their workers do not get exposed to such chemicals. At the end of this video, I will share with you a link from which you could receive information on how sustainable products have replaced hazardous acids in various cleaning applications and use them in machines like ultrasonic. This information compiles various industry applications. So stick to the end and download the book. The good news is there are at least 3 options that you could use to do away with acids in an industry. The first is called an oleosurfactant. It's a surfactant derived from a plant. A surfactant is something like a soap, but the difference is this works exactly like an acid. It is non-corrosive, non-hazardous, there are no transportation restrictions, it's a food grade product, and very importantly, it is readily biodegradable. This is one of the options. The second option is what we call salt. Now it's not a common table salt. The salt that we speak of are synthetic salts. They are made in factories and have extremely low pH, but they don't have the hazards associated with an acid. They don't fume, they are easily disposable, there are no restrictions about purchase, and very importantly, they clean as well if not better than acids. This is the next generation technology, but somehow it hasn't caught on in India. The third is an amine called DSR. Now this is a very interesting product. It's a neutral product. It possesses the ability to degrease and descale, which means it has the ability both of an acid and an alkali. Since it's a neutral compound, you could use it in any mechanical systems. Again, it's a biodegradable product, easily available and low cost. So based on your requirements, you could use either of these 3 options to reduce the burden of acids in your factory. These 3 factors by themselves are excellent. There are 2 game-changing options that can be added on to these. One, these can be heated. In other words, the 3 fluids that I spoke to you about are fluids that you could use at temperatures that are 60, 70 and higher. Now that doubles or if not triples the rate of cleaning and the variety of products that you could clean using the same system. When you reach temperatures beyond 90, you could strip a paint off a metal surface. You could add so many variations to the cleaning that hasn't been thought of before. The other factor is you could use it in ultrasonic systems. This will produce uniform finish and very intense cleaning. So when you combine many of these factors together, you could have a revolutionary cleaning system that totally replaces acids for almost every conceivable industrial application cleaning. And that's where we come from. So if you know somebody who could use such powerful systems to replace acids in their cleaning, tag them or share this video with them so they could assimilate some of the important technical points that we have discussed. I will see you in the next video.